Everyone, I'm Evelyn from Center for E-Learning. Now I'm going to show you a video. I'll show you a video on what you can do on Doceri. Doceri is an iPad application currently, and it doesn't support Android, so you need to have an iPad to run this application.
Top 5 lifestyle changes to reduce cholesterol. 1. Lose weight. 2. Eat healthy food. 3. Exercise. 4. Quit smoking. 5. Don't drink. Thank you.
So I hope you have a rough idea of what you can do on Doceri. What we are going to do now is that I will do one step. You can follow me. In any point of time, if let's say you find me going too fast, please inform me so that I can pause for a while. Done? Is everybody on Doceri on your iPad? There's actually two options here to project from iPad or through a computer. We are not going to touch on the computer because you need to install a software on the PC, and after 30 days you need to pay for it. So today we are just only going to cover the iPad alone. Okay, so let me, please help me to tap on the first icon now, everyone. And now you will get to this screen, right? Yes? Okay. Now tap on the bottom left-hand corner, there's a plus sign, tap on it to start a new project. We are going to tap on the first option, the iPad default option. Yes, tap on it. I'm going to run through the tools at the top one by one, and at the same time you can also tap on it and explore what they do. Okay, the first one is the third icon from the left. This one allows you to select a background of your preference. Scroll down and see which one you like and tap on it. For me, I choose paper 10. After you have selected one, just tap anywhere on the screen. Okay, next, I want to add in a picture onto this presentation. Tap on the fourth icon here. And maybe I want to take from my photo album, my photo gallery. I take my candle holder. If you find the image too big on your screen, you can use 2 fingers and do a pinch to make it smaller or bigger, or you can rotate. You can rotate using 2 fingers and position it to a suitable position. Can? Use 2 fingers and you drag. Do a pinch. Can? Okay, once you're done, tap on the Done button to fix the picture onto your screen. Yes? Any point of time, if let's say you still want to make any changes, you tap and hold on the picture and choose Select. And you get the dotted moving lines again. Then after you can change, and after that, tap on Done. Okay, now everyone happy with your picture? Yes? You tap and hold. After that, select. Yes? Okay, then done. Okay, next I want to show you. Okay, the fifth icon actually doesn't do much. It's just to export your current page to an image. So we are not going to cover that. And now let's go on to the tray of drawing tools. The center tray. There's quite a few icons for you to play with. For example, if you tap on the first icon, it's actually a pen with yellow, red, And there's also a line tool, a circle tool, or rectangle. If you find that you don't have the same sets of tools as mine, you can actually set it up by tapping and hold onto one of the tools, and after you can change the color. You can change the size of the stroke to make it thicker or thinner. The spacing, which is to change it into a dotted line. And opacity, which is the transparency of this particular stroke. Okay, next we will go to the right. There's actually two icons here. This is the redo button and the undo. If you have done something wrongly, you can just undo it or redo. Okay, and the icon over here is to clear all strokes. Over here, you just select all, clear, erase all strokes. Tap on it. Everything will be gone. Before I continue, I like to highlight, you all don't press first. There's one button here that allows you to create a new slide. You all just watch. So for example, I do something here. Then after that, when I tap on the small little icon at the right-hand side, right, it will go to slide 2. It will create a different slide for me. So if I go back, I tap on this button to go back to one slide, back and forth. Okay? So let me clear everything now. Okay, I start a new project. Okay, now we are going to do our recording. But before we start on our recording, I need you to preset all your tools, the tools that you need, the colors that you want before we start the recording. Otherwise, when you record halfway, then after you have to pause the recording to choose the pen or the rectangle or the circle that you want. Then after you can continue. Okay, after you have done, I'll give you some time to select your tools. Then after that, we will start to record. Ready? I need you to clear all your everything, whatever that you have done. Clear, erase all strokes before we start the recording. Otherwise, when you start recording, your stage will be very messy. Yeah, everyone done? Clear everything. Okay, now let me introduce you to the record option. On the screen, right, you should be able to find two options, start recording and my recordings. So once you're ready, you tap on the start recording option. And now the recording has started. So I just write hi there. And I tap on the right icon, the new slide icon. I am Evelyn. And I'm happy with this. I do a stop recording. And my video is done. So I tap on it to play. Okay, I'll give you like 5 minutes and all of us will go around. You can do your recordings now. You can try it out on your own. Then after that, I'll proceed to show you how to export this video out. I'll now show you some advanced feature. This is really advanced, so if let's say you don't really get it for now, it's okay. You can go back and practice. Okay, so what is the advanced feature? So help me to drag this tray down on this screen. Okay, this is an advanced feature. You just drag down. If you don't get it now, it's okay. You just go back and practice. Okay, there's actually a small little white box over here that you can drag. Okay, this thing you can drag. Can find? Drag it all the way to the very start where there's, if let's say you have done slides, right, drag it to the number 1 slide, the very beginning. Okay, and you can actually do a playback from here as well, just by tapping on the play button on your right. And after that, once it gets to the second slide, right, it will pause there for a while. Then you have to press on the play button again to continue. Okay? And if you think that your drawing is too slow, you want to speed it up, you can actually drag the second line here. This is slowest, this is fastest. So if you want to speed it really up, right, you can play here. Now it's drawing a lot faster than what you have done earlier on with your fingers. If you want to make it slow, just drag it to the other end and make sure that the playhead is moved to the. This is really very slow. You can play with this. Do not use the two buttons here, the plus slide and minus slide. If you use this, later your video might be messed up. So for now, don't use these two. Not recommended to use this unless you really want to try then you can mess around with all these tools Okay. Then from here, and now that I want to make this a lot faster, I make maybe somewhere here, and you can do your recording from here. Start recording, and now you can speak as per normal. So now your recording, you can say, "Hi there, I'm Evelyn," and after that you do a stop. And now a new video has been created. Notice that now my timing for this one is actually only 7 seconds, but the original one is 26 seconds. So now this one is actually a lot faster. If you think that your presentation, the original video is too slow, you can speed it up this way. Okay, now I'm going to show you what kind of exporting features you can do with Doceri. Just tap and hold for longer while to drag this video. Okay, drag it to the first option on the right. The first one allows you to export either through message or email, or save your video or copy it to somewhere else. If you save the video, tap on it. Okay, just save it. And after that, you can locate your video in your photos gallery, the photo album. It will be here. Okay, next tap and drag it to the second option to open it in the apps that you have installed on your iPad. If let's say you have installed the Dropbox in your iPad, just select it and the video will be ported over to your Dropbox. Okay, or you can also tap and drag it to the YouTube icon. You need to log in to your Google account before you can upload it to YouTube. And after that, it will be uploaded. Just fill in the details here and tap on send. Or you can also, if you want to change the quality, you can do that over here. Just select, and it will create another video for you with the lower quality version. And if you want to delete this recording, just drag it to the dustbin and press delete. We'll give you like maybe 2 more minutes to try it out. Any questions so far? Yes? If you save it onto the iPad, right, it will be .mmovie.
Thank you, Evelyn. I think she's done a great job because I could see all of you really enjoying yourself, right?